Not so fast, Zeno. This orb isn't yours to take.
Oh, but I love a good challenge, Mika.
Think fast, Mika. The answer lies in the glass tunnels.
The glass tunnels! Got it!
You're quick, but I'm quicker.
Not today, Zeno. Teamwork wins this round. And done. The plaza's safe again.
Next time, Mika. Next time.